Hello knitters, I'm here to add another stitch to our stitch library, and this is called the bee stitch. Okay, it's you're going to use a multiple of 2 stitches plus 1, and the pattern has 4 rows only. I love this stitch. It gives you a lot of texture. It's squishy. I knit in this beautiful baby yellow merino here, so it's very soft, and you can tell it's tending to roll a little bit. I haven't blocked yet, but it's a very pretty stitching. So I want to show you how I do this using the Portuguese style. Okay, so since I show you this here, I have my little swatch going, and this is in I'm knitting 100% wool in orange color. You're going to find the pattern to follow along with me in the description. Again, it takes 4 rows. The first row of the pattern is a knit row. It's on the non-public side, and I already complete that. So when you see the purl bumps here facing me, it's because I knit the first row and I complete it. I am going to put my yarn on my knitting pin. And I think this stitch is very nice because it shows you also how to knit in the stitch below. Row number 2 says, with the right side facing you, knit 1 and knit 1 below. So here it goes. I am going to knit 1 and see, I want you to see this up close. The stitch is on the left hand needle, but below there's a big opening here. That's where I'm gonna go with my knitting needle and knit and drop this out of the left hand needle. I'm gonna show you this again. Knit 1, slide off, go into the hole below the stitch that is sitting on the left hand needle and knit in the one below, and repeat throughout. I cast on 21 stitches, so it's a multiple of 4 plus 1. Knit in the one below, knit 1, knit in the row below, knit 1, knit in the stitch of the row below, knit 1, knit into the stitch in the row below, knit 1, knit into the stitch in the row below, and so on. I'm going to finish this row. Every other row is going to be like this one. Knit 1, knit in the stitch in the row below, knit 1, knit in the stitch in the row below, and with knit 1. And row number 1 and 3 consist in just knitting. So again, to knit, I'm gonna dive the needle under the yarn and knit the stitches. From now on, the yarn is already on top of the right hand needle. I am going to just knit. Okay, so 21 stitches. Those needles I bought, they're handmade by the Amish, and they are bamboo. They don't slide very well, but also they hold the stitches in place. So I'm coming, knitting all 21 stitches to get to the other side, and show you the texture of my stitch again. If you want to practice this stitch, you might want to put some selvage stitches on it. Some stitches just to give you a border, so you don't start with knit below right on the first stitch. Okay, but here it is. I'm finishing my row of knits, and I am going to turn, take my yarn from my pin, put it down, and you can see what a beautiful texture this has right here. Let's give some a yank here and distribute the stitches here. You can see that's the B stitch. 4 rows. Row number 1 and 3 is just knit. Row number 2 and 4 is knit 1 and knit 1 stitch in the row below. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the stitch. I think it's beautiful. There's so many things you can use for. You can put on hats, you can put on baby blankets, you can just do a detail in a sweater like a pocket. Your imagination is your limit. So don't forget to like this video if this is helpful to you. Also to subscribe and leave your comments below.